Okay, here we go about our third session on revision. We have done revision of what is to be treated. Then last time we discussed about portrait of disease, and today we go ahead in the next step, that is totality of symptoms. So before we begin, we start with Guru Vandana, followed by Enumen and Oath. So here we go about Guru Vandana. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara. Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Tasmai Shri Guruve. Guru who has enlightened us through the experience he has derived. We always respect and bow down to such Guru and men.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone.
Now we start with the Himani notes. On my honor, I swear that I shall practice the teachings of homeopathy, perform my duty, render justice to my patients, and help the sick, whosoever comes to me for treatment. May the teachings of Master Hahnemann inspire me, and may I have the strength for fulfillment of my mission. Yeah, good morning to all.
Good
I
morning,
hope
sir.
I am sufficiently audible and visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Last time we were discussing about portrait of disease that we can erect after we pinpoint what is to be treated in the disease. So before that, portrait cannot be made. Moment we have identified what is disease, then we put down that disease that we have identified, and for that various components of the disease that we put forward with their relative relations with each other. So we establish now relativity for the things. So last time we had a few questions that I'm sure that we have received the answer from aphorism number 6. Still, there are some minor point of confusion that I have received from people. Very, very important point if about the portrait of the disease is that it is dynamic. So before we go to that, because without understanding total what is to be treated in the disease, very clearly it will not be so easy to understand portrait of disease. The question was about the practical application of what is to be treated in the disease. We'll revise that very quickly. If you remember, during the revision session of what is to be treated in the disease, at the first instance, we had put across that if we have defined what is to be treated, then to implement that into the practice, we do it through case taking. Because unless we understand what is to be treated, our case taking will not be directed and precise. And for that, a direction is given from aphorism 83 to aphorism 104. What is to be treated is what we determine about what is the suffering of the patient. It is not mere only sign and symptoms. Sign and symptoms are the expression of the suffering of the patient. So from the suffering of the patient, we understand very precisely that what we are looking for, because we have to correlate that what we are looking for in the curative power of the remedy. Then only law of similar can be applied. So what is to be treated in the disease? Thereby we understand patient comes with the complaint, and those complaints give us the local aspects of the patient. But with this complaint, we understand that patient reacts through his reactivity, sensitivity, and that comes up in the form of modalities, that which are the factors that aggravate and which are the factors that ameliorate, and this sensitivity and reactivity that comes from the individuality of the person who defends through these modalities. And so this aggravation and amelioration, that is the part of the individual patient, that is not pathognomic. And so that help us to understand the person in the patient who has become patient, and so that help us to understand the whole of the person, whole of the patient. Sensations, location, direction, extension, alternating symptoms. All these also help us to understand the specificity of the individual, that is individuality. So what is to be treated in the patient is what is that individual responses, and those responses are of the not the pathology but the individual in the patient. So this aspect of combination of individuality and holistic together,
હલો હા
it only help us to understand.
એ પણ લેબમાંથી તારું જે નજીકમાં તને મળતું હતું એકાએલમાંથી કદાચ ઓછું
They only help us to understand what is to be treated in the patient, and that we know that it is a dynamic affection. So from time to time, what goes on happening, which we require to attend to treat. So disease is a dynamic affection. The dynamic disturbance, the dynamic homeostasis, the dynamic aspect that comes up. And in that, the way it reflects as a experience of suffering. The suffering is the ultimate outcome, and that is expressed through signs and symptoms. So we understood what is to be detailed in nutshell. After understanding this, we know that nothing can happen without a cause. So there has to be a cause. So this cause that we have studied in aphorism number 5, which we incorporate now in application of aphorism number 6, that is portrait of disease. So is there any aspect that practical application of what is to be treated in the disease? I hope this is clear. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everything is practical. There is nothing theoretical in organon. It is derived from practice. It is derived from verification. It is derived from the outcome, the results. And whatever persists and remain consistent, that is only taken up. Otherwise, it is changed. Okay. So now, the portrait of disease. We revise it very quickly. What is portrait of disease? Hello. What have we done last time? What is portrait of disease?
Sir, portrait of disease is the collection of perceptible signs and symptoms of what is to be treated, and it is getting like a glimpse of the person and in that moment.
Portrait of disease is a conceivable picture of the disease through its sign and symbols, है ना? तो last जो line है ना वो this. पढ़ो अपनी सो line. All these perceptible signs represent the disease in its whole extent. So what is most important is what is perceptible. What is not perceptible, imperceptible, you cannot be sure, you cannot ascertain, you can't derive also. Whatever is imperceptible, that goes only hypothetical. And avoid all the speculations, and we require to have only what is perceptible. So, portrait of disease represent perceptible signs. We can say picture. So science is also subject or objective is more important in the, because thereby you are able to definitely take the judgment, and you can be sure, you can examine it, and you can really see, patient can see, observers can see, and physician himself can verify from medical point of view. So of course, this whatever is perceptible signs, symptoms include signs. So signs also include symptoms. We can take up that. Or signs. Signs means very rarely which can be verified and seen. Represent, it represent, okay, the disease in its whole extent. The disease has to be seen from the entire angle, all the angles, and it should be perceptible. That is, together they form the true and only conceivable portrait of the disease. It should be true, no doubt, authentic, definite, specific, unquestionable. So these signs represent, but collection of the signs is not a portrait. We need only perceptible signs. But these perceptible signs, they form the portrait. So how will they form the portrait? By their relative position, connections. So here, this is the very important point. So we say these are the characteristic symptoms, and so individualistic symptom, holistic symptoms, and this is a collection, and this is your portrait. That is not a portrait. This is only a heap of symptoms. They require to be connected in a one very definite manner so that it gives us the conceivable portrait of disease. Physician should be able to conceive that, should be able to hold it. Physician becomes impregnated with that picture. तभी मेडिसिन की डिलीवरी होगी. He conceives, then he delivers that picture. Now that can be compared with the artificial disease. So disease he delivers and matches with the artificial disease. Now we were discussing last time about this particular aspect, that how to make portrait of disease. What is the
Sir,
practical? हाँ बोलो.
sir, here it is written that perceptible signs. क्या symptoms नहीं दिया हुआ है, तो signs means is there any difference between this perceptible signs and not symptom word is not used over here.
देखो ऊपर किया है इटालिक्स में.
जी.
morbid phenomena, accidents, and symptoms. वो दिया है ना. And the moment it can be perceived externally by means of the senses, hence it becomes science. What becomes science? When I narrate my problem, I say, Doctor, I have headache. It is burning. Now I say, Doctor, I have severe headache, and really it gives burning as if it is on the fire. My expression and the tone, which is describing my suffering, so that now becomes sign because it is observed, which can be palpated, which can be felt, which can be examined. सुनीता जी बराबर है?
जी.
So that is why observation of the symptom, it is very important. And first it begins, observation begins with the tone, timing, and expression. And symptom now automatically become perceptible signs. It means it gives the true picture.
जी सर.
है ना?
जी.
ये एप्लीकेशन हुआ ना सीधा केस टेकिंग में.
जी सर.
तो अभी हम ये बनाना है पिक्चर, पोर्ट्रेट बनाना है. तो हम कैसे बनाएंगे? My screen is visible to all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, my confusion is that what is to be treated also we connect the dots, no? So on the paper, how to differentiate? In portrait, what I have understood that we take up more as a time evolutionary part and we show it with diagrammatically. In the what is to be treated, we don't take up as a evolutionary part, no, on the paper. We don't show it, no.
And देखो हम
We just show the blocks, right, sir?
When we are learning to make a sentence, what do? First we learn alphabets. Before learning to solve any problems, equation, we first learn identify the numbers. ये है कि नहीं?
हाँ, sir.
अभी what is to be treated? What is the purpose of what is to be treated? So that we can cure the case. So our sole purpose and our entire outcome of the result that is expected, that is stated in the aphorism number 1. And aphorism number 1 is representing the rest of the entire organon. जागृति मैडम बराबर है?
Yes, हाँ, sir, बरोबर है.
तो फिर क्योर को डिफाइन किया कि क्योर इज जेंटल, रैपिड,
Permanent.
जेंटल एंड परमानेंट.
Permanent.
अच्छा, क्योर को डिफाइन किया तो क्योर व्हाट? द प्रॉब्लम. सो प्रॉब्लम इज व्हाट इज टू बी ट्रीटेड इन एवरी इंडिविजुअल केस एंड व्हाट इज गोइंग टू क्योर एंड हाउ. आप स्टेप समझ रहे हैं ना? तो वो क्योर को आपका पर्पस पे क्योर डिफाइन किया, क्योर से क्या ठीक करना है वो डिफाइन किया. तो जो क्या ठीक करना है, वी आर गेटिंग फर्दर कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ दैट, कि हमें कोर्स देखना है, देन डिविएशन देखना है. अभी समझे कि नहीं आप? जागृति
हाँ सर. हाँ, cos phi aphorism में 6 में you know.
नहीं, तो ये आपका काम क्योर का है. तो क्योर मीन्स क्या? तो ये क्योर, तो क्योर व्हाट? तो व्हाट इज टू बी ट्रीटेड. तो व्हाट इज टू बी ट्रीटेड इज व्हाट. So what is to be treated cannot be without cause, and if there is a cause, then there is a further picture evolving. Then you are coming to the portrait. समझ में आया क्या?
हाँ सर.
ये फाइनल एस्पेक्ट है. अभी जैसे आप उन्होंने बोला ऑब्जर्वेशन, तो अनप्रेजुडिस्ड होना चाहिए. तो अनप्रेजुडिस्ड ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या होना चाहिए? एफोरिज्म नंबर 83,
Okay.
that free from prejudices and accurate observation. So heading, subheading. So he is taking to most microscopic level. अब स्ट्रक्चर देखो पूरा, द फ्लो देखते हैं. फिर डिजीज समझने के लिए, डिजीज कैसे होता है. ओके, तो डिजीज देयर इज अ डिस्टर्बेंस ऑफ द वाइटल फोर्स होता है. वाइटल फोर्स, हाउ डज इट एक्सप्रेस इटसेल्फ एज अ साइन एंड सिम्पटम. ओके, we will this will end in 10 minutes and we'll go back to the first link that was posted by Dr. Pankaj Lakhani. Okay, as soon as it is over, we shift over to that particular link. So is there any now confusion how the organelle is presented? And
No sir, it's clear.
नहीं ना, इसीलिए Dr. Jagruti, we were always told that entire organon you can understand through a 1 to 7 aphorism.
बरोबर.
है ना? वहां देखोगे ना, तो बाकी तो उसका फर्दर इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, एक्सप्लेनेशन टू इवॉल्व द अंडरस्टैंडिंग, बस वो चल रहा है. फोर्थ एफोरिज्म क्या है?
Reservation.
प्रिजर्वेशन ऑफ
of
हेल्थ.
health.
हेल्थ तो आ गया, क्योर तो हो गया, बट दैट हैज टू बी प्रिजर्व, दैट हैज टू बी मेंटेन. तो मेंटेनेंस को पोजीशन के साथ लगाया और उसमें अदर एक्सेसरी सर्कमस्टेंसेस लगाया, एंड हेंस द डाइट, डिस्टर्बेंस इन द डाइट, ऑक्यूपेशन, वो सब आया. एंड हेंस पीछे के एफोरिज्म्स में ही इंक्लूडेड द
Obstacles to recovery.
हाँ
Obstacles to recovery. Later on he has included.
हाँ, he has included all those. कोई अपना डाइट बराबर होना चाहिए, रेजिमेंट बराबर होना चाहिए, वे ऑफ लिविंग चेंज करना चाहिए. तो पूरा आप ऑर्गेनल देखो, हाउ द कास्केट ब्यूटीफुली एवरीथिंग इज, नथिंग इज लेफ्ट. इससे हमें कंफ्यूज नहीं होता. अरे व्हाट इज टू बी ट्रीटेड में भी वही करते. अरे वो कैसे करना, वो आगे का एफोरिज्म में. हम कहेंगे भाई यू फाइंड आउट द डिजीज, बट हाउ विल यू फाइंड आउट द डिजीज? ओ Go to aphorism number 83 onwards. Prepare yourself, and these are the steps. Listen to the story of the patient and observation and other things. ठीक है ना?
सर माय क्वेश्चन इज, सर हम जब केस एनालिसिस करते हैं तो हम टोटलिटी को इम्पोर्टेंस देते हैं, पोर्ट्रेट को हम नहीं, क्योंकि हमारे रूब्रिक सिलेक्शन भी टोटलिटी से आते हैं. तो व्हाट जो डॉक्टर जागृति आस्क्ड कि हाउ important is that and how different it is from the totality, because we are giving more importance to the totality in final selection. तो फिर वो
डॉक्टर जागृति आपका ये सवाल था क्या?
नहीं.
अच्छा देखो डिम्पल जी, आप जरूर पूछो. जागृति मैडम का कुछ अलग था. वापिस बोलो जागृति मैडम, आप क्या एक्चुअली पूछना चाहते थे?
No, means I was saying that what is to be treated and portrait of disease na, we know at the face level, but when it comes to put up on the paper, then it is difficult. So
yeah, how
I
it
was
is
thinking,
different.
means I was thinking it like what is to be treated is like we are writing the blocks. Okay, these are the parts which needs to be treated in the case. Whereas in portrait, we take it up as an evolutionary part and then we connect the different blocks.
डॉक्टर डिम्पल,
हाँ सर.
इतना अच्छा त्योहार गया होली का, है ना?
हाँ सर.
तो आप हमें खाने पे नहीं बुलाओगे क्या?
सर श्योर.
हाँ,
सर बुलाएंगे ना.
तो हम सामने से मांग रहे हैं सब लोग कि आपको यहाँ खाने पे आना है हमें. अच्छा, तो हम खाने पे आएंगे तो आप खाने पे बुलाओगे तो खिलाओगे ना?
यस सर.
लेकिन क्या खिलाओगे?
सर which I am good at it, which I can make it best.
ऐसे होगा कि होली के दिन होली पे बुलाओगे तो होली वाला होना चाहिए, दिवाली का होगा तो दिवाली वाला होना चाहिए, है कि नहीं? ऐसा करते हैं ना. और संक्रांत आएगा, संक्रांत में खिचड़ा बनाएंगे.
हाँ करेक्ट.
तो वैसे होता है. वो शादी में बुलाएंगे तो शादी वाला बनाएंगे ना. बर्थडे पार्टी में शादी वाला होगा क्या खाना? बोलो.
नो.
तो ये पर्टिकुलर एस्पेक्ट जो है ना, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है. तो आप वो बनाओगे, अब मेनू नक्की करोगे, है ना?
करेक्ट.
तो पेशेंट दवा लेने आएगा तो वो भी लेके आता है ना. हम बोलेंगे भाई परोस तो सही, तू क्या लाया है, बता तो सही, ओपन योर, है कि नहीं? तो वो बोलेगा मेरा माइग्रेन ठीक करो, मेरा बैकएक ठीक करो, मेरा कॉन्स्टिपेशन ठीक करो, और डॉक्टर हो सके तो मेरा नींद नहीं आता है वो भी ठीक करना. तो आप भी नक्की करोगे ना. ओके ओके, अभी होम पार्टी पे बुला रही हूँ तो मट्ठा होना चाहिए, श्रीखंड होना चाहिए, सुरती लाला क्या क्या होना चाहिए, हाँ, उसकी पूरी होनी चाहिए, उसका पोंक होना चाहिए, पोंक का वड़ा तो जरूर होना चाहिए. ये बराबर है कि नहीं? तो
yes.
ये अभी आप जब भी थाली परोसोगे तो आपकी फेवरेट डिश आपने बनाई, आपका ध्यान तो वो रहेगा ना कि ये खा के उसका सबका एक्सप्रेशन कैसे रहता है, बराबर बनाएगी नहीं. Whether you entered in the heart of the person through the stomach or not. ध्यान तो आपका उधर ही रहेगा ना. थाली में आपने अचार भी परोसा होगा ना, सलाद भी परोसा होगा, तो क्या अचार और सलाद खाने के लिए बुलाया क्या, है कि नहीं?
करेक्ट।
तो आपका जो खाना परोसा उसमें मेन एसेंशियल क्या है, लेकिन वो एसेंशियल को उभार देने के लिए, प्रोजेक्शन देने के लिए, उसको श्रृंगार करने के लिए आपने चटनी भी लगाई, है कि नहीं?
यस यस ओके।
तो अभी पोटैटो टोटलिटी में समझा कि नहीं? जागृति मैडम बोलो जरा।
Means what Sare said ki as per the festival how we have a certain type of recipe, so we come to know ki okay this is what the occasion is. So it picturizes the whole festival, no?
करेक्ट।
That is what I think sir is trying to say.
Yeah, that
Now
is
you can
one-
picturize.
yeah, that is one aspect, and on that aspect, whatever we do, that expresses our internal enthusiasm, purpose, उत्साह कितना है, उससे बाहर समझता है ना। होली तो हर एक के घर में हुई, कोरोना था, फिर भी कुछ रंग में, कुछ घर में रंग उड़े, तो एक उत्साह की बात आ गई, उसमें प्रेजेंटेशन की बात आ गई। देखो 1 मिनट में यहाँ खत्म हो रहा है, तो यहाँ हम बंद करेंगे एंड वी जॉइन अनदर लिंक दैट डॉक्टर लाखानी हैज already posted, okay, and we
Okay.
can over there.